What can we do to end inflammation? Is there anything we can change to make sure our body is not constantly being eroded away by this condition? Inflammation is nowadays being recognized as one of the most damaging processes we experience on a day-to-day basis. It's the same process responsible for accelerating aging, joint pain, obesity, cancer, heart disease, and even diabetes. This means that if you cut it out completely, your health can improve exponentially. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal some of the most effective ways to end inflammation and say goodbye to countless health conditions. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, treat my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of opponent quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay through the end of this video. I'm going to share extra tips and video links related to this topic. You don't believe the incredible number of diseases that are tied to inflammation. Inflammation should be a normal process, something that lasts a couple days or maybe some hours to correct the damage inside the human body. Now the problem is that recently we are seeing permanent inflammation due to unhealthy and damaging diets, lifestyles, and all kinds of chemicals, pesticides, and genetically modified organisms we are coming in contact with. We went from experiencing mild and normal inflammation to permanent aggressive inflammation. And my question is, how can you expect your body to stay healthy? Impossible. So in today's video, I'll reveal some of the most effective and impressive ways to end inflammation and say goodbye to countless health conditions. Number 1, eliminate the culprits. What is the most important factor that increases inflammation in the human body? Do you know? It's food. Everything we eat can either improve or worsen inflammation. Think about that. That's very, very important. Nowadays, I'd say that most processed, canned, and packaged foods can produce inflammation. These are the same foods we usually buy. Normally, most people buy. These are not natural. They have genetically modified organisms and chemicals, all sorts of substances that obviously cause inflammation. So you have to be careful with foods. Now, the first one is wheat and wheat products. Wheat actually does something that is unique to our body, and it's the fact that it can block thyroid function. Blocking your thyroid is the worst thing you could possibly do that will accelerate inflammation. You see, the thyroid gland is in charge of making sure that every single cell, tissue, and organ is functioning properly. The more hormones your thyroid produces, the more your cells will work, and the easier it will be for you to reduce inflammation. Now let me give you an example, because during hypothyroidism, the body has a very hard time with regards to your metabolic rate. Our metabolic rate slows down and inflammation usually settles in. That's the key. This is exactly when you start to see weight gain, arthritis, joint pain, and other conditions. So what I suggest you do, first and foremost, is eliminate wheat from your diet. Very, very important. Now actually, the next group of ingredients that you have to remove are dairy products. This is also very important because dairy products will cause nothing more than hardships, allergies, digestive problems, and of course inflammation. You have to say goodbye to cheese, milk, yogurt, ice cream, and wheat-derived products. You do those two things and you will see great results. If you need something natural that can help you improve thyroid function, reduce inflammation, and keep your body healthy in every aspect, making sure that your body can function properly at the same time, look for Metathyroid, Curcu Health, and Green Shot from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 2, you need to eat anti-inflammatory foods that would change your life. Food is extremely important. We all know that by now. And anyone who tells you differently is completely outdated with what we know of health today. Your food choices are just as important as medications and supplements you might be taking. These are the same ones that are going to make it or break it with regards to any condition that has any relationship to inflammation and your metabolic rate. Now, the first step to eliminating inflammation is, of course, food and your food choices. The next step is making sure that you choose the foods that will reduce inflammation and make sure that it doesn't come back. Now, you need to start eating more fruits and vegetables. This is key. These are the same ones that contain lots of magnesium and potassium, minerals that are going to help you reduce inflammation, high blood pressure, by the way, also, water retention, and even accelerate your digestion, urination, and rest at night. Everything you need to make sure your body can control inflammation. So very important. Now, if you think about it, why do you think every doctor is now asking their patients to do just this? More fruits and vegetables, because it works. There's many changes in the human body. Curiously enough, the second thing we need to do with respects to this category of anti-inflammatory foods is make sure that you're consuming fruits and vegetables that do not contain too much sugar. That's also important. Sugar is an ingredient that in high doses can be very harmful. It's a drug. One of the main culprits of inflammation is actually sugar and sugar-containing processed foods. Too many fruits with sugar will not help you. You need to focus maybe on blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, fruits that do not contain sugar. Now, fruits and vegetables are important, there's no doubt about that, but there are other foods that can help you enormously. They are proteins, healthy fats, healthy carbs. Omega-3 fatty acids are very important and anti-inflammatory. You should be considering adding, for example, fish, salmon, tuna, flax seeds. Very crucial. Make sure that you focus on sesame and flax seeds, by the way. Very important. Healthy proteins should also be included, like organic chicken, turkey, grass-fed beef. All these are also pivotal if you want to reduce inflammation. Real organic foods, that is the secret. Now, with regards to this category, make sure that you use oils that are also reducing in inflammation. Like, for example, coconut oil, maybe olive oil, flaxseed oil. All these are very, very helpful and very important. Now, if you need 3 of the best anti-inflammatory supplements you can take, and at the same time rejuvenating supplements that you can use every day to make sure that you rest properly and your body is able to, regenerate every single nerve and cell in your body, look for D-berry, melatonin, 5-HTP, and bright caps from Fineland at drlandivar.com. And help out the channel by sharing with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below, and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos with your supplement information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.